It's coming my birthday anyway, August 21. Uh, I will never be a bad influence anyway, just like Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Usually, I already reprimand Best Pills. You know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Please do not ruin my birthday, and please do not add Kuya Mel Nixon Castro in the group chat. You know, I'm always be matured anyway, oh. I call Paula Nunez is eradicated ally of Best Pills. So she never defend why she never call that Best Pills is a demon. Oh, he's really a demon. I said it is really a demon. I say to Paula Nunez, do not listen to the demon named Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Okay. So for me, I do not want to fight with Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. This is my birthday wish. Because I already scolded him, I already reprimanded him last night. He has to stop what he's doing. Oh, me, I never be act like myself I was stupidity. Oh, I never make dumb ass. Oh, I already defeated Buddy Castro. I already defeated Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Oh, I defeated them in social media. Because they are imbecile. Oh, like I said. For me, I move on with Buddy Castro. I move on with Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. I already move on from them. For meanwhile, folks, when I was become notorious, I was become notorious in social media during the time of um, that I fought with Luis Cabales. I fought against him. I fought um, um, David Gill. Um, even not only David Gill, I accused him. I accused anyone, even Jen Bravo, even Joel Ferrer, the uncle of David Gill. Even I made a fake account of Larry Chuanico that I attacked the church of David Gill. I want to apologize for all of my mistake. Even I made a fake account of Larry Rodelio Daguman. For me, folks, I just want to apologize to everyone. Um, I know I made lots of mistake for what I just did to Teacher Gio Malana. If you're watching this, Teacher Gio Malana, I hope I tweet you anyway. I reconcile with you. I reconcile your family and your friends, even your loved ones. I will never fight with you anymore, Teacher Gio Malana. I'm okay with you, Teacher Gio Malana. I mentioned you want to invited Paulo Cuva during in his celebration. What's that? During his Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. That was anniversary in his Facebook page. But I apologize to Teacher Gio Malana. I understand with him. I reconcile with him. I always be friends with him in the first place. Usually, I do not want to pick a fight. I'm okay with Teacher Gio Malana. Teacher Gio Malana and I, we're friends in Twitter. Not only in Facebook, Twitter only. Dara May Tuason, she greeted me happy birthday anyway in August 21. Even my Russian friend, Dennis SBO. Even Sasha. Even my Palestinian friends in TikTok Live. Even Iranian friends. Even all of my friends in TikTok Live, they greet me happy birthday. Oh. We are friends. You know, friends is not always to be enemies. Oh. I say to Allah or God, my wish anyway, I should never be a bully anymore. And I hope David Gill and his family members will forgive me. At least we are not friends anymore. We were not close each other. Then they will forgive me also. But I will never forgive those imbasalt Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, Jima Casandil, Buddy Castro, and even Teacher May Tiburcio and Teacher Evelyn Caja. They are my enemies. I will not gonna forgive them. At least, Harbatera, he always apologized to me that he will never post against TVJ. He's never posting about against Joey De Leon and Judge Tagra. And no worry, I understand Arbatera. Arbatera, Victor Martin Soriano is always to be my friend. And he's no longer to be my enemy. You know, Arbatera, dude, thank you for greeting me happy birthday. Because you comment me in a YouTube channel. You gave me a lots of subscribers. Usually, Harbatera, VP Austin Hong Kong, or Victor Martin Soriano, I always reconcile with you. You're no longer to be my enemy. I said it to you. We are friends. And that's okay, VP Austin Hong Kong. If you visit in my house, Harbatera, we can still be friends each other. I hope you will be friends. We are not enemies. At least good to you. We are not enemies. Oh, luckily, when I watch Inside Out 2, that was emotion. I was told by Jared Dino. There is anger, there is sadness, happiness, and emotions, and like for example, anxiety. Oh, you know, for me, I will never be a bully anymore. I hate to be a bully. Because for all of you guys, do not ruin my birthday. I am warning to Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, G. Macasandil, and Jeffrey Asedio. Please, all of you, refrain on fighting in social media. This is why you make Kuya Mel Nixon Castro, you make him also involved. Dinadamay mo pa siya. That's why. Do not make Kuya Mel involved. And you see, Ate Hana is very angry at you, all of you. Oh. Is this right to make enemies? Me, I never make enemies with Teacher Gio Malana. I never make enemies with Arbatera, Victor Martin Soriano. I'm close with them. I'm close with them in Twitter. I'm close with them in Facebook. I'm not picking up with enemies. Look at Lawrence Villawan. I have a lots of friends in Twitter. Lawrence Villawan. Gio Malana. Tera Francisco. Dara May Tuason. Even in my Twitter. Stefan Pimentel. I treat them as a friends. Nobody makes enemy. If I were you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, apologize to Kuya Mel Nixon Castro. Gave him a apology letter to him. You know, you're in Commonwealth, Quezon City. Where does Kuya Mel Nixon lives? Barangay Colyat, Quezon City. He was with the Nanay Net. Apologize. Do not pick a fight. You know, like Capitana says to you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, do not fight. I know there was Capitana was there. Capitana was no longer there. And I know there's Cap Jimboy. You know, Cap Jimboy says to you, reconciliation and be matured. And that is real. Oh. If you want to make argument, best pills, Arnel Castillo, you can go to barangay with Kuya Mel and apologize. Make a reconciliation letter